Madness. This is Mixture Madness number 6, and it's about the brownies. So we have a Beak representative, and she wants to make 50 pounds of brownies that cost $3 per pound. These brownies consist of brownie mix and marshmallows. So those are our 3 items. We have the brownies, like the actual brownie with marshmallows on top. And then the 2 things that are being combined are the brownie mix and the marshmallows. That's a hard word to spell. So this is the box of brownie mix. That's my box. Thank you so much. And then here's my marshmallows. And then here's my mixing bowl. Okay, together the brownie mix and the marshmallows make the brownies. All right, we're going to do our unit value, which is UV for short. Your choice if you spell it out or not. We're going to have a quantity, so how much of each thingy, for Q is the shortcut. And our third column is total value, which some people might want to shorten to TV. It's up to you. Let's look at the problem and just plug in as we see things. We want to make 50 pounds of brownies. So the quantity of brownies is 50. So we should say quantity is in pounds. That's our unit value is pounds. And that's going to cost $3 per pound. Now I could write 3 for $3, or I could write 300 for 300 cents. So that could be my unit. It's up to us, but I think it might be easier to work with big numbers rather than decimals. So I'm reading this out loud. This Beak representative wants to make 50 pounds of brownies that cost $3 per pound, or 300 cents per pound. She will be combining a $3.50 per pound brownie mix. Oh, well, that's $3.50, which is 350 cents. We don't know the quantity, so let's remember that that's our variable. And she's going to be also using a $1 per pound mini marshmallows. Oh, well, the value then is $1, which is really 100 cents. Now, we don't know these quantities, so if our total poundage, our total is a 50 for our mix, then one number is X and the other number is 50 minus X. You can do this. You can do this. So let's say X equals pounds of brownie mix. So not brownies, but brownie mix. We multiply across to get our total value. 350 times X is 350X. 100, I should put parentheses here. 50 minus X. So whatever one number is, the other one is 50 minus it. And that's how you add them together to get 50. This is the additive inverse, X and negative X. 300 times 500 times 50, that's 15 plus 3 zeros. That's how a lazy person does it. Okay, these 2 numbers add together to make this number. So let's write our equation. 350x plus 100 times that other thing, 50 minus x, equals 15,000. I don't care about the comma right now. The comma might look like a decimal to some people, so better to just leave it. Let's solve away. 350x plus, let's distribute. 100 times 50 is 5 and 3 zeros, minus 100x, because 100 times x is 100x, equals 15,000. I see an x term and I see an x term. 350 minus 100 and x, well, that's just 250x. Okay, and then I can bring down my plus 5,000. It doesn't change anything yet, but I'm going to work on it next. Let's see, we have 5,000. Let's subtract 5,000 from both sides. So 250x equals 10,000. I hope I'm right. Okay, so now we're going to divide both sides by 250. This is going to be hilarious to do in my head. Let's see, 250 goes into 1,000 4 times, so it goes into 40 times. I'll check it in a moment. I believe this is, let's see what the answer asks for before we think that we are done. It says, how many pounds of the brownie mix and how many pounds of the marshmallows does she use? So we just found how many pounds of brownie mix. I'm going to write it out really clearly. Brownie mix, 40 pounds. And the other number was 50 minus x. If x is 40, 50 minus x is 10. So marshmallows is 10 pounds. There is our actual answer.